Hey tubers, it's been a while and I haven't made a video, so let's try to see if we can't crank one out today. Wow. My son came by and visited for a few days from New York, and you know how it is with young people. If you're old, you're not doing it right. And obviously I'm old and I'm not doing it right. So let's talk about it. He decided, let me crank it over so you can see what we got here. He decided that my laptop here was no good. I think I've had this one for about 8 or 10 years. It's a Dell. I've dropped it, cracked the plastic. The battery on it is no good anymore, but it works plugged in just fine. It's got Windows 10 in it. It's slow, it's glitchy. And I was struggling to print something for him, and he decided I'm not right. And he broke down and got me a new laptop that I really didn't want, but I'm thankful he did. But you know, people keep upgrading when it's not necessary. Sometimes it's not, but this is nice. What I really want to talk to you about is, I think they're cheating us with new laptops. Now, mind you, this one's thinner, lighter, you know, cranks right up. Check this out. You turn it sideways and the picture will actually do like an iPad with you and go sideways. Yeah, you saw it. And it's also touch screen. Well, let's see, how do we do this? Double tap. Timed out. I guess I need to put in a security code. Anyways, there's Windows 11. And like I said, you can tip the screen. It tips with you. Programming. They've got a lot of stuff in there. This is also a touch screen besides laptop, which I think is a total waste. If you're getting a laptop, you don't need a touch screen. Stupid. But again, that's just how they work them today. What I really want to talk to you about, though, is let's look at the actual computers themselves. The first thing that really pissed me off about this brand new Hewlett-Packard laptop, and I looked all over the store because my son brought, this is an Envoy, he brought it home for me. I went back to Best Buy and checked. They don't have, let me see if I can get this one open. They don't have the CD disc. Why doesn't it pop out? CD drive, where is it? Maybe it only pops open when you got the top open. Yep, here we go. I really like that. Oh my God. Maybe it has to be going. But this one has a CD DVD player on the side. Again, I've dropped it, so it's kind of sticky. So that's the first thing that doesn't work for me. Now, let's look at what else is going on with the hardware. You got 2 USB ports. That's it. 2 USB ports. Let's see, here we have 1, 2, 3 USB ports on the old ones. Oh, and also something else I found on the old one that the new one doesn't have. Detachable battery. New one, the battery's internal, you can't take it out. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing, but I kind of liked being able to pull the battery when it went into brain lock. So what else? Oh my God, there's no card reader here, no chip reader slot. Let's see on the old one what we've got here. We have a chip reader slot right here. So again, the old computer just has more hardware. Something else I'm just noticing, that strange plug that used to work for the printers. Nope, not here. I have all the CDs that go with my camera, printer, all that bullshit. Now these CDs were actually made when I had Vista Basic on another computer. And the only way I was able to download them into the Dell, couldn't do auto drive, the cameras wouldn't recognize drivers, but if I loaded the CDs in, I got everything working. I'm not sure if I'm ever going to be able to get my printer and camera and that kind of stuff to work with this. The camera's from 2008. So, old technology just doesn't want to marry up with the new stuff sometimes. That's why I'm going to keep this baby and use it specifically for my YouTube channel, because it's already downloaded with Windows Movie Maker. Something you can't even find anymore, the old simple version. I might do a video on that for you. But again, I just think the newer computers, lighter, more technology, but they're cheating us on hardware. And I think they should at least offer you a computer, a laptop, that still is packed with functions. Hopefully that'll be a good video. If you watched it to the end, wow, I'm impressed. Have a good Christmas. Happy New Year. How about please subscribe? Even hit the like button or give me a comment. Take care. Bye.